Today, Mathematics, Chapter 1, Application of Matrices and Determination. Exercise number 1. First question, solve the following system of linear equation by matrix inverse method. First question, write it in the matrix form of the above equation. 2, 5, 1, 2, xy equal to minus 2, minus 3. Then ax equal to b, a and x and b you take it and write. After that x equal to a inverse of b. Next to find the first a inverse, a equal to 2, 5, 1, 2. A modulus equal to minus 1 not equal to 0. Then adjoint of a 2 minus 5 minus 1 2. Then a inverse equal to 1 by a modulus adjoint of a. 1 by minus 1. Then after that adjoint of a you take it and write. The answer is minus 2, 5, 1, minus 2. Then xy equal to a inverse of b. You take it and write the value and simplify. You get the value of x is minus 11, y equal to 4. Second question, 2x minus y equal to 8, 3x plus 2y equal to minus 2. The above equation in the matrix form ax plus b, ax equal to b, where a equal to value, you take it and write x value, b value, then ax equal to b, x equal to a inverse of b. To find a inverse, a modulus find out, answer is 7. Then adjoint of a, change the place of the 2 and multiply with minus sign. After that a inverse formula you substitute that and get the value is 2 minus 4. Then x value is 2, y value equal to minus 4. Third question, you take it and write it in the matrix form ax equal to b, then x equal to a inverse of b. Then find out the a inverse, a equal to, first you find out the modulus of a. Modulus of a is 16. Then find out the aij, first row, first column. That way you find out the value of a of ij. Then you simplify, you get the matrix 0, 4, minus 4, 4, 1, 11, 4, minus 3, minus 1. After that adjoint of a transformation, row change to column. You get this value. Then you find out the a inverse value. After that x equal to x, y, z. Then a inverse b, you substitute the value of a inverse value and b value. After that you simplify, you get this 2, 3, 4. X value is 2, y value equal to 3, z value equal to 4. Then fourth question, write it in the matrix form. Then ax equal to b, x equal to a inverse b. Then a modulus you find out. A modulus value is 27. aij, you take it and write first row, first column. The same way you find out the a of ij. Then you simplify that, you get the matrix minus 18, 13, 32, 0, minus 3, 3, 9, 1, minus 10. Next adjoint of aij transformation, row change to column. Then you find out the a inverse equal to 1 by a modulus adjoint of a, you substitute and find out the x equal to x, y, z. Then A inverse B equal to A inverse. After that you write the A inverse B equal to A inverse. After that you write the B. You multiply this and simplify, you get 1 by 27, 3 minus 2, 1. X equal to 3, y equal to minus 2, z equal to 1. Second question, A and B given. Find the product of AB and BA and hence solve the system of equation. First, you take it and write the A value and B value. AB, find out, that is 4I3. Then BA 4I3 you get. So that AB equal to BA equal to 4I3. After that you substitute the value of A 1 by 4A and A value, and after that you simplify, B inverse equal to 1 by 4A. Write the given system of equation matrix in the B. X, Y, Z equal to 1, 7, 2. After that B inverse you find out, so that you take it and write the value of B. B inverse equal to 1 by 4 A. After that you simplify that, 1 by 4, 8, 4 minus 4. After that you divide by 4 means you get 2, 1 minus 1. X equal to 2, Y equal to 1, Z equal to minus 1. Third question, a man is appointed in a job with a monthly salary of certain amount and a fixed amount of annual increment. If his salary was rupees 19,800 per month at the end of the first month after 3 years of service and 23,400 per month at the end of the first month after 9 years of service. Find his starting salary and his annual increment. Use the matrix inverse method to solve the problem. Let his monthly salary be rupees X and his annual increment by rupees Y. Then after that you write it in the equation form. X plus 3Y equal to 19,800. X plus 9Y equal to 23,400. Write it in the above equation in the matrix form. Ax equal to B, X equal to A inverse B. Then A and X, B value you take it and write in the separate. After that you find out the A modulus. His value is 6. Adjoint of A, interchange the place of 9 and 1 and multiply the minus sign 1 and 3. Adjoint of A. Then A inverse you are going to find out. After that X equal to A inverse B. You substitute the value and get the value of 18,000 and 16,600 is the, simplify that, after that you get the value. X equal to rupees 18,000 and Y equal to rupees 600. Monthly salary equal to rupees 18,000 and annual increment equal to rupees 600. Question 4. 4 men and 4 women can finish a piece of work jointly in 3 days, while 2 men and 5 women can finish the same work jointly in 4 days. Find the time taken by one man alone and that one woman alone to finish the same work by using matrix inverse method. First you take it and write 1 day Bx and work done by the woman in 1 day equal By. Now we are giving 4x plus 4y equal to 1 by 3. 3 we are multiplying by 3, 12x plus 3, 12y equal to 1. Then equation 2x plus 5y equal to 1 by 4. You multiply by 4, 8x plus 20y equal to 1. The matrix form of the above equation you separated. Ax equal to B, then x equal to A inverse B. Then value is given. A modulus you are going to find out 144. Then adjoint of A you interchange the 12 and 20 and 8 and 12 you multiply by minus. Then A inverse equal to 1 by A modulus adjoint of A. You substitute the value and simplify it. X equal to xy equal to A inverse equal to B. You substitute that value and simplify. You get the value of x value and y value. X value is 1 by 80 and y value equal to 1 by 36. The work done by a man in 1 day equal to x equal to 118. The time taken by a man to finish the work 18 days. The work done by a woman in 1 day equal to y equal to 1 by 36. The time is taken by a woman to finish the work equal to 36 days. Fifth question, the price of three commodities A, B and C are rupees x, y and z per unit respectively. A person P purchased 4 unit of B and sells 2 unit and A and 5 unit of C. Person Q purchased 2 unit of C and sells 3 unit of A and 1 unit of B. Person R purchased 1 unit of A and sell 3 unit of B and 1 unit of C. In the process, P, Q and R earn rupees 15,000, rupees 1,000 and rupees 4,000 respectively. Find the price per unit of A, B and C. Use matrix inverse method to solve the problem. First you take it and write price of A equal to rupees x unit, x divided by unit. Price of B equal to rupees y divided by unit. Price of C equal to rupees z divided by unit. We are given 2x minus 4x plus 5z equal to 15,000. 3x plus y minus 2z equal to 1000. Minus x plus 3y plus z equal to 4000. Then matrix form you take it and after that you get the Ax equal to B, x equal to A inverse B. Then A, modulus of A equal to 68. Then A of ij you find out row and column. And simplify it, you get the answer is 7, minus 1, 10, 19, 7, minus 2, 3, 19, 14. Adjoint of A equal to Aij transformation. A inverse equal to A 1 by A modulus adjoint of A equal to 1 by 68. After that you simplify, you get the answer is 15,000, 1,400, 4,000. 1,000, 2,000, 1,000, 3,000. X equal to rupees 2,000, Y equal to rupees 1,000 and Z equal to rupees 3,000. All of them understood, children? Thank you, children.